Welcome to the Ford 4x4 System Diagnostic Presentation for Virtual Training Systems. In this chapter, we will be taking a look at the diagnostic routines needed to diagnose today's Ford 4x4 systems. My name is Pete Husher, and I'll be your host for this course. It's a great day to fix transmissions, so let's get started. Ford's 4x systems are controlled by the GEM module, the four-wheel drive control module, or the PCM depending upon vehicle application. The GEM module, the four-wheel drive control module, or PCM uses various inputs and outputs to control the 4x4 system operation after all parameters are met to allow 4x4 system works. The GEM four-wheel drive control module, or PCM, confirms the request from the range switch change has been completed by illuminating the appropriate indicator light. Diagnostic codes and data can be retrieved by using a scan tool connected to the DLC connector. This is a list of codes you might encounter while working on Ford's 4x4 systems. Be sure to refer to your specific vehicle's code lists. P1804, P1806, P1808, and P1810 are indicator fault circuit codes. These indicate that the GEM module has encountered a fault in the four-wheel drive indicator system. Check indicator system wiring and connections. If you ground the circuits number 10 and 14 at the GEM module connector C282 and the indicator lights illuminate, the indicator light circuits are okay and suspect a possible faulty GEM module. P1812, P1815 are mode switch circuit faults. These indicate that the GEM module has encountered a fault in the mode switch circuits. Check mode switch circuit wiring and connections. Mode switch failures are very common. P1836, P1837, P1874, and P1875 are drive shaft speed sensor circuit faults. These indicate that the GEM module has encountered a fault in the drive shaft speed sensor circuits or Hall effect power feed circuits going to the speed sensors. Check the wiring, the connections, and harnesses for damage or corrosion. Connector terminal end corrosion and oil contamination are common causes for these codes. P1838 is a motor circuit fault. These indicate that the GEM module has encountered a circuit problem in the motor circuit. Check the harness, wiring, and connections to the encoder motor. Connections and encoder motor failures are the most common cause for these codes. P1846, P1850, P1854, and P1858, and P1867, and P1891 are encoder circuit faults. These indicate that the GEM module has encountered a fault in the encoder plate circuits. Check harnesses, wiring, and connections. Connections and encoder motor failures are common for these codes. Pinpoint tests on the GEM system can easily be accomplished at the encoder motor connector or at the GEM connector. This is what a typical 1996 Ford Explorer 4x system wiring schematic looks like. This is a typical 2002 Ford Explorer 4x4 system wiring schematic. Well, this concludes our chapter on 4x4 systems diagnostics. We want to thank you for participating in our virtual training solutions presentation, powered by ATRA. Until next time, let's keep fixing transmissions together.